What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Young Dub, man, coming at y'all with another video. Just want to do a quick upload for this Saturday morning, man. I wanted to unbox my second massive audio Hippo XLR 122 sub. So I'm just gonna unbox it right quick, just to do it because y'all know the I've had the other one for a few months, and it's time to start getting things installed. I think the best route for me to do right now is probably go with the highs and then start to go with the bass. Still got some speakers right over there that I haven't done yet, but we'll get to that. But let me get this out the way right quick. And then Mr. Third Era, he did email me last night his information, so I can go ahead and get that fuse holder sent out to him. So I'm going to unbox this joker right quick and then head over to the post office, man. So let's get it going. Y'all know anytime it's crazy heavy, I leave it on the floor. And I can guarantee y'all this subwoofer is crazy heavy. So the less picking up and things like that I got to do with it is the better. So just try to get this tape off of here without cutting myself. All right. Well, Massive Audio's on the tape. I don't know if y'all can see the logo right there, but that is, I guess it's some Massive Audio tape, and it's some amazing tape because this box ain't trying to be open here. All right, and of course, like always with car audio, you got a box inside of a box. There is the Massive Audio box itself. All right. Let's clip the ends. And same as always, just like the other sub, you get your warranty registration card, the specs for the box that you need to build for it. If y'all been following the channel, I think back in September, I want to say, is when I got my box built for the subs here, and it's a lime green with the DUB logo in it, but. Moving along here, let's go ahead and get this joker out of here. Y'all know it's heavy, so. Oh, Lord. Put her back down on the floor. So there she is, man. Oh. Get that to stay up. There it is. The second Massive Audio sub. Not, really too much to explain or tell on this one, because like I said, I did unboxing on it before. On the other one, so let me get her out the plastic here. Man, I got it wrapped up pretty good here, man. We just got us another little monster, man. So, like I said in the other one, roll that down a little bit. Y'all see the rear end on her. She is crazy big, crazy thick. I'm gonna leave her on the floor because why not? Like I said, she's crazy heavy, man. Y'all see her. The most I can do is tell y'all to check out probably Instagram on this one. I'll probably do a bunch of pictures on it and show a lot of the sub in that fashion because, like I said, it's just crazy heavy, man. So just wanted to do a quick little update. Kind of open the sub, make sure everything was squared away. So this is number 2. So anytime she got a rear end like that, she should be pretty doggone loud, man. So we'll get her going. We'll get both of those in that box and get them going on the Orion 3K. Once again, the Orion 3K is going to be the subwoofer amp. That joker there is for my mids and highs only, man. So we got the Orion 3K going to the massives. Got a bunch of stuff to unbox yet, so once I get rolling here, we'll get more things unboxed, man. So like always, man, like I said, it's your boy Young Dub. Any questions, comments, concerns, go ahead and hit me up, man. I'll get back to y'all on those, and let me head over to the post office so I can get the Third Era, his fuse holder. Still got the other giveaway going in the previous video, so all you got to do is just go to the previous video, get your friends to subscribe and drop your name, basically telling me that you're the one, and whoever has the most to get those Rockville RCA cables along with it's a brand new Sky High fuse holder. It's just lime green with a 300 amp fuse, man. So it's your boy Young Dub. Happy Saturday morning. I'm out.